Have you ever seen a beautiful AI generated image and you are like, how can I get the prompt to this particular image so that I can recreate something similar? What if I tell you that using the ChatGPT free version, you can actually get the prompt to any particular image with this simple trick I'll be sharing with you guys. Also, in this video, you're going to see how I use this prompt I generated from ChatGPT, how I used it in an image generating app, and how it gave me something similar to our original image. So stay tuned because you're going to learn a lot. And now you must have downloaded the image which you want to get its prompt. So once you are done with that, head over to ChatGPT. This is it over here. And then at this very point here, this plus sign over here, you tap on it and you can see it says upload for computer. Though I'm using a mobile phone, but that's what it will actually show you. So just tap on upload from computer. You have to locate the image you want to get its prompt. So this is the image over here. This very one here. So this is the image that I want to get its prompt. So I have to wait for it to get uploaded to ChatGPT. So once it's uploaded to ChatGPT, you can see it over here. So I'm going to just put in a short prompt for it to really know what to do with this image. So I'm going to ask it, analyze and give a perfect descriptive prompt for this image. So once I have tagged that, I'll then tap on send over here. And you have to wait for some minutes for it to process it and give us what we need. So this is the image here. This is the original image. And this is the prompt it gave to us over here. So I'll just go ahead and copy this prompt. I have copied the prompt. So I'm going to use Bing AI image generator and Piglumen to generate something similar to this our original image. So I'll first of all use Bing. So I'm going to search for Bing AI over here. It opens up and I put in my prompt. So I tap on create and let's see what it will give to us, whether it will be similar to what we had initially. So guys, you can see what Bing AI gave to us. It's kind of similar and I think it's even more beautiful than our initial image. So I'll go ahead and download it. So this is what Bing AI gave to us from the prompt which we got from our original image. So let's try out what Piglumen is going to give to us. Piglumen, and I'm going to tap on launch app so that I can go ahead and input in my prompt. So I just like to leave it at this very point. Just put it on landscape. So once I've inputted my prompt, I tap on send over here. And let's see what it gives to us. So guys, this is the result of what Piglumen gave to us from our prompt. So we can go ahead and download it and compare. So from this which we got, I think Bing AI actually gave us something close to what we had originally. Tell me on the comment section which of the AI image generator gave us something similar to the first or the original image. So if this video was helpful, consider giving it a like, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next